everybody, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm here with you today in Oviedo, Florida, in a beautiful gated community. There's about 38 homes here, and we're right next to the Aloma Avenue and 417. If you come with me, we'll have a look at the home. So this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, a little over 2,800 square foot. They do have an HOA, it's $137 a month. Follow me over here and I'll show you what they set up as an office. You can really do anything you want. You can make it a bedroom. You would just need to add a closet. A lot of light comes into these rooms. The builder did a great job with the energy efficient rooms, which I'll show you later upstairs. This is a half bath that opens up to the living area, and then you have your dining and kitchen. Take you into the kitchen. You have a spacious pantry area right here, and all KitchenAid appliances, built-in microwave, beautiful island and flat top stove. Over here you'll see there's the garage, an area. This would probably be considered an upgrade with the extra counter space here, but you can put your laptop, kick your shoes off, come in the door. You'll follow me upstairs. We have all the bedrooms upstairs. And I was telling you about the builder and their energy efficient homes. They actually have a room that shows you how you can save on your utility bills. And here you have your master bedroom, very spacious. You have the king size bed, plenty of room to put your side tables, and your master bathroom with the dual sinks, bathtub, frameless shower, and walk-in closet. They give you a privacy door for the toilet area over this way. Your laundry area, you have your laundry room. Again, another countertop space over here. Nice loft area, which is my favorite part of the home. And your bedrooms that share a bathroom. And the walk-in closets that give you plenty of space to hang your clothing, store away toys if you have children, and whatever you need. The bathroom with the dual sink. It's a full-size bathroom. And then your other bedrooms over here. So that is the home. Again, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. If you'd like me to show you around, if you're looking to sell your home, buy a home, give me a call, 407-616-6271. Bye.